Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, I have my number 25 Tonic Craft Kit that I thought I would share with you. It's one of the subscriptions that I really love. I think that the value for the money that you pay is, I don't think there's any comparison. I am almost never dissatisfied with the kits when they come. The colors, the papers, the embellishments, the stamps, the dies. I think it's worth every penny. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And so with that, here's my box. I always store them in the box until I get ready to actually get things put away, like the paper put in the right place, like that. But we'll start with the paper and go from there. Oh, here I am making a mess, shaking the camera. Every kit always comes with this sheet. There's a link to look at inspiration projects. This particular collection is called Blue Blossom. This is a color trend. I believe they do 4 color trends a year. And I believe the last one was Merry and Bright, so obviously Christmas themed. But so let's take a look at what came. I think hands down Tonic has the best specialty paper as far as I'll show you in just a minute. So this first one, this is pearlescent cardstock in Princess Pink, and if you can see, it has like a shimmer to it. It is double-sided, so I love that because I love solid core cardstock, so that when you do distressing and stuff like that, it goes through. The next one we have is the Blue Obsidian mirror cardstock. It has, as you can see, more of a glare to it. Obviously you can't see yourself in it, but I love this color. As far as blue goes, this is one of my favorite colors. And already you can see a nice color combination. Next we have our specialty cardstock, and this is called Pink Petals. Is that right? No, that's the, I'm sorry, that's the next one. This is rose gold posies, and if you look, it's, I believe it's a white, and it's foiled in rose gold, and y'all know how I feel about foiling, so very nice. This one here is called Pink Petals, and this is a specialty paper. The embossing on it, the embossing on their paper is hands down, I think, the best. And it actually almost gives it it's a really soft texture. It's white on one side, and then you have the pretty soft blush pink on this side. Then you have, this is, come on. We have the classic cardstock in Ballet Pink. It's just a textured cardstock, which I love. I adore textured cardstock. I love it so much better than the regular, cold press, smooth cardstock. I just think it gives it a more luxurious feel, if that makes sense. But so there's that. And if anyone's wondering about the weird sizing, Tonic is a UK company, and so the bulk of their paper comes in an A4 size instead of what we're used to at, the 8.5 by 11. So it's a little bigger, which I'm fine with. That just means more to craft with. So there's that. Then we have the glitter cardstock Cobalt Blue, and it has a couple different colors in it, and I really like that. It doesn't shed. It's very solid. I like the weight. I think it's going to cut really well in the with the dies. Next we have, where's that? This one is, nope, that's not navy 12. This is Specialty Paper Midnight Sky, and it looks like a lot of confetti or sequins, and I love this collection. With every kit you get some version of this, and again, this one is black on one side and then the blue on the other. So, and I love how it reflects the light. And then last, this one is called Navy Toile, and if you look, it almost looks black, but it's a really deep navy with roses embossed on it. So I think that's gorgeous. So that is the paper included. There's always a beautiful selection of paper in every kit that comes, and it all coordinates, which is awesome. So next, I think we'll do the dies. Come on. Close. This one I was really excited about because you can use it a couple ways, but it makes a lantern. All of their dies come in one of these envelopes, and then every quarter they'll send you a matching binder so that you can put them in and store them away, and I really love that. They all come on a carrier sheet. So you can make this lantern as a 3-side, 4-side, or 5-side lantern, and of course the more you go, the bigger it's going to be. And then I like that it comes with extra panels so that you can do layering. You have your tag here. You have different pieces for embellishing. You have some detailed dies so that if you want to add extra detail to the lantern. And these kits, so I subscribe quarterly, so I pay for 3 months at a time. So I believe I get free shipping. I think that's the best deal you can get. And I think I only pay like $36 basically per kit, including shipping. So I mean, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, just looking at the dies alone, you know, even if you count Tuesday morning prices, this is a great price. Then you have more detailed dies here to change up the look. This right here is your handle for the top. And then this, you have more dies here for embellishing, and this says with love, and this one says for you. So for you with love. So you can actually die cut and decorate the tag that comes with the set. Then each kit comes with a sticker, and the sticker usually follows along with the color theme or the trend of the kit. So Blue Blossom kind of matches the paper that we just saw, and then this is basically showing the different products that released with this color trend. So there's that. And again, this is a subscription that I pay for. I'm not an affiliate. You know, like I share with you guys things that I think are a great value, quality, and I've never been disappointed by anything from Tonic. So there's that. To go along with the lantern, this kit comes with shaker frames, because when you cut the windows out, you can either back them with vellum, or you can put a shaker in it and do a shaker element, and either put like cardstock behind it or like another piece of acetate so you can see through the shaker and into the lantern, if that makes sense. I'm going to try that. I think that's going to be fun. And I believe there's 10 there's 10 of these. So I would just do one of these in the kit in the lantern, and then the other windows I would probably do with vellum or acetate. So comes with those. Let's just pull all this out of the box. Come on. Stuff's trying to get away from me. I apologize. Okay. It comes with a full size of the embellishment mousse, and this is in Victorian Blush. I'm not going to open it. I won't open it until I'm ready to use it, but some people are scared of these. because there is a history, you know, and it doesn't matter what brand, that they can dry out. But Tonic even tells you that when you peel this aluminum off, don't take it all the way off. Just peel it back. Then when you go to seal it, push it back down over the top and then close it. It really helps keep the moisture in and keeps it from drying up. But it is a really beautiful color. Next, you're going to get a sample of the Nouveau Crystal Drops in Shimmering Rose. And it goes really well with the Victorian blush. So, there's that. Then we get a full-size sample of the Pink Tutu Pure Sheen Sequins. And we'll open this up. I have to be careful. The last time I opened one of these up, I had sequins go all over the place. It was not fun trying to pick them up off the floor. So, I mean, really pretty. It almost kind of looks like a flower there, doesn't it? But I'm going to just pop that back in there. So it's a really nice, you know, they're not chintzy at all. You get a really nice selection of product. So this one is the Pink Tutu. And then I have the Confetti Bluebell Hearts, Nouveau Bluebell Hearts, and Pure Sheen Confetti. And if you look at them, they're kind of holographic. So you see some pink and purple, depending on how the light hits it. So, come on. There we go. So yeah, there's that. And then last but not least, we have the detailed tweezers. And these come with a really nice tip on it because they are very sharp. I don't know if you can see. I mean, look at that. That is crazy pointy, and that would hurt if you kind of accidentally stab yourself. So always keep the tip on that. So that is the Nouveau Craft Kit number 25. And when you have a subscription, I believe there's an additional discount that you can use, like a discount code that you can use when you shop on their site. I can't remember what it is. I'll have to go look, but I'll include a link in the description, the US link. Again, I make no commission. This is just a kit that I love, and I've been with them since kit 7, I believe. So that's what, 18? I think that's 18 kits now that I have. So yeah, is that right? Yep, that would be 18 kits. So next month, kit 26. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to get it. You can actually go on their website or go to their YouTube channel and you can see it now. And if you subscribe now, you'll get that one, but it won't ship until October. So you always buy it the month before and it ships after. So you always see the next month, a good month in advance. So just keep in mind that when you order it, it's not shipping right away. It's not going to ship until the first week of October. And mine always comes FedEx. So, I mean, it comes in a FedEx package and I have to pull it out. And then there's the Tonic kit box inside. So, you know, considering $36 and it ships FedEx, I think that's pretty fabulous. So that is the number 25 Tonic Craft Kit in Bluebell. Is it blue? Yeah, Bluebell. Blue Blossom, I apologize. And yeah, so when I have to go find my Gemini. I had it packed away. I had just gotten the Raskog from IKEA, and unfortunately they only had ugly colors, like this weird blue, I think a gray and a white. So I got the white and I just painted it a mint color. It's this color here. And I turned the top shelf upside down so I could put my Gemini on it. And I gotta figure out where I stashed it. Anyway, as soon as I dig it out, I'll make this because I think this is going to be a really fun project. I love lanterns, things that light up, so I was really excited to get this one. So with that, I hope you guys have a great work week. I have a busy one coming up. We have some new people starting, I believe, and a lot of stuff going on with our interpreter services, so I'm working on that. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a blessed night, and I will see you soon. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.